Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of your health. I welcome you in my class that is an English for grade 5. We are learning unit number 7, over the counter medicines. Yes, my dear teachers, this is lesson plan and PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below into the description box. You may click it, download it, and I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Lecture 2 under the title of Grammar, Pronouns. Before in English for grade 4, we have already learnt about subject pronouns. I hope you remember it, and if you don't remember, you may watch this video lecture again. Our today's expected learning outcomes are identify and recognize the function of pronouns. Yes, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Quran, but those who disbelieve and deny our signs will be the residents of the fire. They will be there forever. Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 39. Yes, my dear students, in this verse, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala warning us that if we will not believe on the signs that are mentioned through Allah Almighty, then we will face hardships. And Allah Almighty is warning us that if we deny, we will be the residents, mean we will stay in fires. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us the guide way. Yes, let's refresh our knowledge. Pre-reading questions are there. What are pronouns? Why we use pronouns in a sentence? Yes, my dear students, pause the video and answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, I hope you have done it. Good job. Let's see what are pronouns. Pronouns are words that are used instead of a noun. So what is noun? Already we know that. What is noun? The name of person, place, thing is called noun. And naming word, everything in this word is noun. We already know that. And when a word replaces a noun, that is called a pronoun. Pronouns, words that replace nouns. And noun phrases can connect one sentence to the next to guide the reader through a paragraph. And how we can use a pronoun in a paragraph, then it also avoid that when we are using a pronoun, first in the first sentence we use a noun that is being discussed, and after so on in other sentences we use pronoun to avoid repetition, and it is connecting the ideas in a paragraph. Let's see. Pronouns help writers to avoid repeating a noun. This is showing that when we discussed a noun in first sentence, then we use pronouns and it's avoid again the repeating again and again same noun. So we can beautify our paragraph when we use pronouns. Pronouns can be used to replace nouns that have previously been mentioned once or several times. Already I told you that we replace nouns because to avoid repetition again and again. They create connections between information in the paragraph. Pronouns create connection. Sentences are so connected with the use of pronoun, and we can easily understand about the sense of a paragraph. Here is a paragraph and let's read with pronouns. Sada forgot her homework at home and she was late for school. She had to tell her teacher that she had forgotten her homework and her teacher was not happy. Sadaf's teacher made her sit silent during lunch and do her homework repeatedly. This paragraph is clearly telling us that in the first sentence already they use sadaf, and we know that that is a girl, and next her is representing again and again, and she, that is pronouns. This is a pronoun of sadaf and she is also a pronoun of sadaf. If we will use that instead of pronouns, if we will use again and again noun, so it will be so awkward. So that's why the replacing of noun with a pronoun beautify the paragraph, as you can judge in this paragraph too. Yes, my dear students, let's have fun. It's activity time. Let's know more about now pronouns. What are pronouns? Write several simple sentences on strips of a paper. For example, Junaid went outside. Leave one sentence strip blank. This is the first step of our activity, and you can write several sentences on a piece of paper. Here is just example I gave, that Junaid went outside. It's just for example. It's up to you, teacher, that which type of sentences you want to write on the strips of a paper, and after that you can leave one strip blank. And the next step of this activity, cut up the blank sentences strip and write several pronouns like he, I, she, he, it, they, we, etc. Write all these pronouns on strips. And the next step is, in class, invite students to read the sentence aloud and write the correct pronouns for the noun given in sentences in their notebooks. Students will replace all these nouns with a pronoun. Already that in first step I mentioned that there is Junaid went outside, and in the second that we can search out that which is that in example that he went outside. So in this way you should perform this activity. Yes, my dear teachers, perform this activity in your class and then come back. Yes, I hope you have enjoyed this activity. Good job. There is homework assessment. Write a short paragraph using pronouns in your notebooks. You will write a short paragraph using pronouns in your notebook. And this is worksheet, and you should click it, download it and provide it to your students in printed form. So wrap up. What we learned today? We learned today about pronouns and their use in a paragraph to avoid repetition. And in this way we have covered up our SLO, identify and recognize the function of pronouns. Yes, we have done it. Good job. Thank you so much. See you in next lecture. Allah Hafiz.